We'll be going through the tour of ShelfScan. To start it off, you see this welcome, and we click Next. The first step in using ShelfScan, as it shows, is to enter your BGG username. This allows you to integrate your collection info with ShelfScan for auditing and for other management of your collection. Go ahead and enter your BGG username right now. We're going to enter ShelfScan. And click Next. ShelfScan offers you the ability to remember this username and use a cache for the collection so that every time you visit it, it automatically logs you in and uses the cache copy of the collection. Go ahead and check Remember Me and click Get Collection. Click Next. Normally your next step would be to scan a game's barcode, but in this case we're just going to continue to our next tour, which is of the game details area. Click Next, and you'll see behind this game details dialog an item in our scanned list, in this case Tiny Towns. We're going to go ahead and click the Game Details Tour button, and that will be the same as if we clicked on the scanned item in the game list. Now we see the game details. This would be things like the name, version, image, language, etc. for the game. In this case, we're not sure whether this game is Tiny Towns or not, but we think it is. So we see the image, and we have the option to move forward. If the game isn't Tiny Towns or anything related to that, we have the search bar you can access by clicking on the search button. Now you have the opportunity to enter in the name of a different game that matches up with the one that you scanned. In this case, I'm going to enter Art Society and click on the triangle next to the input box to execute the search. Now we see that comes up, and we can go ahead and click on the search button again to collapse that search bar down, and click Next. Inside, on top of the thumbnail version in the select game list, we see a few icons. First, we see the confidence level. This is a circular icon, sort of like a gauge. The higher the filling level of the gauge, the more confident we are that this is the game that you scanned. In this case, our confidence level is relatively low, about 25%. But we also see an icon with a check mark. That shows us that this item is in our collection. Go ahead and click Next. Select the matching game, in this case Art Society, and we see more icons that show us that this is in our collection and also in our trade list. Go ahead and click Next. Now we see the versions. Go ahead and select the matching version of the one that you scanned. In this case, we see a check mark next to the Art Society English Edition 2023. That's probably the edition we scanned since it's in our collection. Go ahead and check that, or click on that version now. Again, we see that this version is in our collection and in our trade list. Click Next. The game details have updated. At the top, we see it's in our collection and in our trade list, and we see the name of the game and the name of the edition and year of the edition in the game details area. Go ahead and click on Next. An important part of using ShelfScan is updating the game UPC database. This helps everyone not have to choose every time they scan a game by verifying that this UPC belongs with this game and this version. To verify for this one, go ahead and click on the thumbs up button now. As soon as it's verified, we also have an undo update button. This is our gray thumbs down button. Go ahead and click it now. This tells Game UPC that you're not confident about that verification after all. Once we've finished verifying and there's nothing left to do, we can scan more games. Click on the scan button and proceed.